So in the continuing series of active campaign tutorials, today's topic is how you can create automation. If you're watching this video, I'm assuming that you have watched our previous two videos and have a pretty good understanding on how you can integrate active campaign with your Panther platform, right? So in order to start up with the automation, we will be needing two things. One is that you have created a list, which I have already explained in my previous video. And the second is that you have associated a form on your platform, right? Which is going to look like, this, something like this to subscribe to any email updates, right? So before moving forward with automation, I would like to throw some light on what automation basically is. So automation is a tool where you can set series of automated emails based on the action of your users. It is a great tool to enhance the customer experience and engagement on the platform, right? To get started with automation, you have to click here on the automation option, right? And you have to click on create an automation and then select start from scratch and continue. As I have already done this process, I am going to go with the automation I have already created, which is automation 2. So in the automation builder, the first thing it is going to ask is to put in the trigger point. So trigger point is basically a condition. When met, it's going to start the automation. So for us, as I have already integrated form on our platform, this form is the trigger point. So I'm going to click on subscribe to a list, because when somebody submits the form, he is automatically going to subscribe to the customer list. So I'm going to do that and select customer list and add start, right? After that, I'm going to create a sample automation for you guys to understand better. So the first thing which I'm going to do is I'm going to send an email, you know saying hi, and actually prompting them to sign up on our platform, right? So you can create a new email, but for this demo purpose, I have already created a template called hi there. If you want to see what I have used as a template for this email, so this is the template where I'm basically thanking them for signing up to our email list, and I am prompting them to sign up to the platform, which this call to action button, right? So once I have sent this email out, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna split the automation in two possible ways. One is that when they have clicked on that sign up link, I am going to split this into two possible conditions. So first one would be action, if they have clicked on a link or not. I'm going to select the email I have sent out and the links which the email is associated with. So as you can see, the campaign is now, the automation is now split it into two parts. One is if they have clicked on the link, and second is if they have not, right? So the next thing would be, if they have clicked on the link, I'm going to send them an email which is basically thanking them for signing up on the platform, and I'm going to tell them about the you know the services which are offered on the platform. So I'm going to click on save. Once that is done, the next part would be to you know have an email when they have not signed up on the platform. So I'm gonna send them an email which is basically consist of a promo code and prompting them to sign up on the platform, right? Once they have clicked on the sign up email and have received the thanking email for signing up, the next part would be to send them an email which is actually going to prompt them to make a transaction on the platform. So in this email, I'm going to send them a discount code which they can use to make their first transaction, right? And once this all is done, I'm simply going to end the automation. by clicking on end this automation here. So to put everything in a nutshell, this is how this sample automation look like. The customer subscribe to a list by filling in their details on this form. Once they have subscribed to a list, they are going to receive an email basically thanking them for subscribing to the list and a call to action button to sign up on the platform, right? On the basis of their action, if they have clicked on the button, I'm going to send them a email with, you know, with the details of my platform, what kind of services we offer, right? And in the next email, I'm going to prompt them to make an actual transaction. So I'm going to send them a promo code which they can use for their first transaction, right? In the same way, if they have not clicked on the sign up link, I'm going to send them an email with a special discount offer in order to prompt them to sign up on my platform. So that is all about an automation in a nutshell. Once that is done, I have to create on, you know, this active status. So the automation is active now. So if my user have fill in his name and email, he will be subscribed to a list, and then this automation will start automatically. So this is all about the automation. If you guys have any problem and issue, you can always contact to the customer success team of Panther, and we are there to help, right? So this is all about the automation, guys, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye bye.